I am back. I did a video yesterday and it was kind of tough to get through it, but I got through it. And it is Heart Month. So that's why I'm still wearing my heart shirt. And I shared with you a story about my heart. I'm doing good. I'm doing fine. My heart is still ticking. It's ticking good. No issues. Doctor said keep doing what I'm doing. But I didn't get to tell you about our Disney trip. So let's do it. All right, let me bring you a little closer. Let's move that out of the way. Okay. All right. So our Disney trip. Oh my gosh, guys. Busy, busy, busy. Fun? Yes. Did I get to see all my grandkids? Yes. Did I get to see Mickey Mouse? Yes. Much, much fun. Did I dance with Mickey Mouse? Yes. We all danced with Mickey Mouse. Well, not my husband. Let's be real here. He did not dance with Mickey Mouse, but the grandkids did, and my daughter-in-law and I did. We had a good time. Let's just say that. We did have a good time. And we went to Chef Mickey's, oh, I don't know, twice. If you want to see characters, if your Disney trip is based around characters and you want to see characters for sure, you've got to go to Chef Mickey. They do have walk-up space, and it's not hard to make a reservation. So you can do that on your app. But I highly recommend Chef Mickey. It's a buffet, so it is pretty pricey, but let's face it, if you are going to Disney, money is not your first problem. So everything in Disney is expensive. Let's be real, okay? They have 5 characters there, and they do, your waitress will come around and make sure that all 5 characters came to your table. So don't worry if you don't, if you think, well, I don't want to spend that much and not be able to see a character. Oh, you will be able to. She will make sure that you got to see all 5 characters, and even if you want to see another one on repeat, they will make sure you do that as well. We went on the, I don't know what you call them. Are they teacups? They're where you sit in it and there's a circular disc in the middle and you all like spin it to make it go faster. We did that. I was in a car with 2 of my grandsons and we had so much fun. It made him laugh, my little grandson, the 3-year-old. He thought that ride was really good. When we got off, he said, "Can we do it again?" He didn't want to get off. And that's something the kids, they need to learn how to be a little patient on these rides. They're learning. So they were not the only children that were excited to get on the rides, and they didn't quite understand why you have to wait on these lines. So every time we got on a line, it was like learning again. But my son took advantage of the lightning passes, and that really helped with the waiting with the kiddos. So if you have a chance to go and you have small children, I have a 3-year-old grandson, a 5-year-old, and an 11-year-old. The 11-year-old spends a good portion there because his dad works at Disney. So, but he was like that in the very beginning. He would have a fit. He didn't want to wait. He'd scream and yell. Didn't understand why he had to wait. But because he went to Disney so often, eventually he learned how to wait. And he's much better about it now, and he's also 11. But it's a learning process, and you can't really reason with a 3-year-old. So they had a lot of fun. And they, of course, had yummies, lots of goodies, and of course, we stayed in the resort, so we got to spend time with the kiddos outside not in the park. It was fun. They have this rain exhibit. It's like rainforest with Moana. And it's really kind of cool because as you go through, there's different exhibits that you stop at. And when you wave your hands, if you go like that or like that, it triggers the sensor, which creates water. And the water comes up. So if you get a lot of people together, kind of like doing the wave. Do you guys remember the wave? So if a bunch of people are in front of this sensor and one goes like this, then the other goes like this, and like this, and like this. I'm moving my hands like this, guys. And then all the water comes up gradually as it picks up different people's hands. It was kind of fun. We did have fun with that. Not kind of fun, it was fun. And to take a family photo with this group was hilarious because of the age differences, and it was not easy. That was not an easy task to get a group photo of everybody. We tried. But it was nice to get away, and just being away from everything was relaxing in itself. So will we do it again? Probably. My son did end up buying season passes just because he wants to be able to go whenever, and he has a right to do that. It's his family. We do not have season passes, but that is our preference. We do not want season passes. Okay, right here, capital T. I don't know if you noticed on yesterday's thing, all these green dots are wrong, but I'm gonna leave them. So it's just what I'm gonna do. It's my canvas. I can do what I want. So yes. And you can call this weird, but my favorite part of the Disney parks is writing the transportation methods. Like, I like riding the monorail. I like riding the sky tram. I like riding the people mover. I like riding the buses. I like riding the train, the ferry. Now, I'm not a boat person, not at all, but these ferries are big, and I like a big boat. But I also don't want to be on a cruise. I don't want to be in the middle of the water for a long period of time. I just want to get on there and get off, if that makes sense. I'm not a water person at all. I live in the wrong state because I think I've been to the beach maybe 8 times. I'm not a beach person. Yes, I live in Florida, but I'm not here because of the water, because that is not my thing. My close friends all know if they find my body in the water, they know I was kidnapped, because I don't do water. So my family knows that too. So, all right, well, this has been fun. I'm gonna hop off, and I will see you when I see you, and be kind.